Imagine a normal day, sun shining, birds singing, when suddenly the sky erupts with streaks of brilliant light. At first, it looks like a meteor shower, but these lights grow larger, brighter, and they're coming straight down. This is not a gentle display. It's the day the sky begins to fall. Thousands of ancient rocks, some as big as cars, are plummeting toward Earth. The air crackles, a deep rumble builds from everywhere at once, and people stop, looking up in awe and fear. Cell phones come out, not for sunsets, but to capture fireballs screaming through the atmosphere. Earth is no stranger to space rocks. Dust and tiny particles burn up every day as shooting stars. But this is different. These are stones, not grains of sand. The Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013 was 20 meters wide and injured over 1,000 people. Now, imagine thousands of such impacts happening at once all over the globe. The sky becomes a celestial firing range. Awe turns to fear as the first impacts crack like thunder, shattering glass and twisting metal. Each meteorite arrives with the force of a bomb, carrying energy built up over millions of years. Humanity, all 7 billion of us, would look up and realize our world is about to be reshaped in minutes. The cosmic lottery has been drawn, and Earth's number just came up. The peaceful blue sky is gone, replaced by chaos. This is the universe reminding us how fragile our world truly is. In this moment, everything changes. The day the sky fell is the day we all remember. The experience would overwhelm every sense. The sky is a web of fiery trails, the air shimmers with heat, and the ground shakes with violent jolts. Sonic booms and explosions blend into a deafening, continuous roar. The metallic scent of vaporized rock fills the air. Shockwaves from impacts knock people off their feet, shatter windows, and send debris raining down. Even small meteorites hit with the force of grenades. Larger ones carve craters and hurl rubble skyward. The world feels unstable, as if nature's rules are breaking. Emotionally, the scale is incomprehensible. A disaster from a movie, now outside your window. Helplessness sets in. You can't fight or reason with it, only try to survive. This terror and awe connect everyone on Earth. For a moment, we are united by fear and wonder. Nowhere is truly safe from the rain of fire. The world is changed forever. In cities, chaos erupts as glass towers shatter, debris rains down, and power grids fail. Streets become impassable mazes, emergency services overwhelmed, and fires break out from secondary explosions. Finding sturdy shelter is a race against time in a world of breaking concrete and glass. In the countryside, open spaces offer less collateral damage, but a direct hit can obliterate a home or ignite wildfires. Help is far away, and isolation is profound. Rural communities must rely on neighbors and their own resources. The urban-rural divide becomes a gambled density versus distance. No place is truly safe, only different kinds of risk. Survival depends on quick thinking and community. If this happens, get inside immediately. Don't watch the spectacle. Put as many layers as possible between you and the sky basements, cellars, or interior rooms with no windows are best. Get under something sturdy, cover your head and neck, and stay put. Patience is your shield. The storm may last minutes or hours. Preparation is key. Have a go bag with water, food, first aid, flashlight, radio, and a whistle. The radio may be your only link to the outside world. After the impacts, survival shifts to community. Check on neighbors, pool resources, and form groups to clear debris or share news. Professional help will be stretched thin. Communities must become their own first responders. Our bonds with those around us will be our greatest strength. Together we rebuild after the cosmic assault. In the face of such a disaster, our differences fade. The meteorite storm ignores borders and wealth. It's a global event. This shared vulnerability could unite us as fellow travelers on Spaceship Earth. Recovery would demand global cooperation, sharing knowledge, resources, and compassion. Humanity's resilience shines brightest in our darkest hours. Such an event could spark new scientific advances and unity. The sky is both wonder and warning. Let's face it with curiosity, preparation, and hope. Our future is written not just in the stars, but in how we respond, together.